Hello everyone, Michael back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Power BI report to your SharePoint. If you like Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI, and SharePoint videos, feel free to subscribe because we put out more videos in those areas. And now for my intro. So I'm going to show you how to display your Power BI report into your SharePoint. So right now I'm in my marketing workspace and I have my report up here. This is just a very simple report. I'm just using it to demonstrate to you guys how you can add this to your SharePoint. So it just displays some information. Going to go ahead, make sure you have your SharePoint site open and make sure you're able to edit the individual pages. So you might need a special permission or be an admin of the site. I will go back to my Power BI. I will click inside of the report. I will go to File, and we have a few options here. So if you navigate down to Embed Report, you have SharePoint Online. I've tried using this option before, but I wasn't able to get it to work. So I will go ahead and select Website or Portal. So you want to go ahead and copy the top link. This will allow you to embed the report into your SharePoint site. I just pressed on Control C and that will copy it. So now I'm going to navigate over to my SharePoint site. So depending on whatever page you want to put it on, in my case, I'm just going to put it on the home page so all my users can see it. Make sure that everyone on the SharePoint site that needs to be able to view this report has access to that workspace and is able to view the report. If not, the report likely won't load on the SharePoint site. So I'll go ahead and add a new section up top. This is where I will hold the Power BI report. And within the new section, if you hover over it, it will say add a new web part in column. I'll go ahead and click on embed. Next, it's going to ask you on the right-hand side for the website address or embedded code. I will go ahead and paste in the link that I copied over from the Power BI report. So in a second, it will now display. So just make sure it displays for you. I will go ahead and click on republish because that is what I want this report to look like. So now we can see that we have two tabs in my Power BI report. I have two tabs down here. I can click on anything in this report. It's interactive. I can see the filters on the side. I can hide the filters. I can navigate through the different pages on the Power BI report. This is a pretty cool way to display your dashboards. If you have a dashboard that displays the SharePoint data or some other data that you want to show to your employees or users of the SharePoint site, this is a really cool idea. I hope you guys enjoyed the video about how to embed your Power BI report into your SharePoint site. If you like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will catch you in the next video.